Hi and welcome to another episode of WigganRC, and you may not be surprised, but yet another unboxing, and this is the new Durafly Tundra. This is the anniversary edition and very excited to get this, and let's get straight into the unboxing. Okay, slide this off. Now, this is the PNF kit, and I'll try and put on a couple of the specs in the description. And grabbing my knife, comes nice and neatly packaged, and I'll just quickly snip some of this stuff out the way. Okay, so got our instructions, quite extensive instructions there. Now this one actually comes with floats, so you can take off in water. So there are the two floats. Here's our spar, and just take off, put this there. Our wings are attached here very securely. Take those out. Now this comes with all of our servos pre-installed. Great fan of that, so I don't have to do too much work assembling it. This is the barn door flaps that come with this. So this plane is a STOL plane, so short takeoff and landing, that stands for. So we've got some quite large flaps, and we'll just put the other wing there. Take off this. Okay, now included in this are the biggest, chunkiest foam wheels you've ever seen. So grass, pavement, sand, you name it, you can take off with these big wheels. So put those there. Take this out. And here is our tail section. Put that there. And this is the fuselage. Now, this has also got some new way they attach the wings. So it's just got a connector that you plug straight in. So very good. And there is the fuselage. So it's a 1300 millimeter plane. This is the hardware, the tail section. You get a little screwdriver and all of your screws and so forth there. And I think that is it. Oh yeah, and this is our carbon fibre propeller and our supports, and it also comes with an FPV little plywood set that you can put together. So box looks empty. Aha, one more piece. So this looks like it's a undercarriage little piece there. Oh yeah, it sure does. And let's just check if everything's empty out of this. Yes, it is. So that is all of our parts. So as per usual, we will put this together and then get ready for another Maiden. So here it is, all finished. The Tundra, the blue and red anniversary edition, and quite an easy build, nothing too difficult. As you can see under here, there's a nice bit of undercarriage, a little bit of suspension for the hard landings, carbon fibre prop, and inside you can access a huge battery tray. I've got a 2700 3S at the moment, so huge battery tray. There's the ESC velcroed to the side, and then in here we've also got a little compartment with our receiver inside. There's the servos for the elevator and rudder, so that's a nice little addition. And just moving it back a little bit, and underneath we've got our supports there, and going down to the back, a little tail wheel. Now this model came with floats as well, but I won't be using the floats. And the barn door flaps have been installed, so let me just grab my controller and we can see it here. So I imagine this is going to be quite floaty with these flaps right there. I'll put those back on, and then all our surfaces are ready to go. And there's our surfaces. Our elevator is going the right way. Our rudder's going the right way. And we've got our propeller all tuned and ready to go. So this model does have reverse, so you can actually set this up to reverse. I don't think I'll need it, so I haven't set it up, but maybe at a later date I will set it up. But yeah, this is the Tundra, and only thing now is to get ready for our maiden flight. So wish me luck, and we'll be back soon. Hey, and welcome to WigganRC, and finally got out today with the new Tundra, and the build was pretty straightforward, and really happy with how it looks. Ready to go. And it takes off within a metre with the flaps. Those takeoff flaps. quick. Very agile plane, very agile. And then you can just float it like.
Oh, nice.
Right, let's come in for a landing. Around. Got power.
Beautiful.
That was nice.
That was really good.
Wow. And it can just go in a meter back up. Amazing. Definitely gets 10 out of 10 performance. Woof. Think a bit. Whoa!
Not bad. Very good.
Well, the Maiden was great. Very happy with this plane, and you know what? It's fast becoming my favourite plane to fly. So, good old Tundra. So, great Maiden with the Tundra today. I'm loving the blue and red, and on 4S it is just a completely different plane, and the carbon props really make a difference, and I'm loving the landing gear as well, and the STOL short takeoff is just amazing. And of course, no flight is complete without the Excalibur. It's currently one of my most favourite planes. You know, it will do 130 kilometers an hour on 4S with no problem, and it's back in its former beautiful glory. And then we've got a wing and the Sonic 64 EDF. So there we go. Okay, thanks for joining me on WigganRC. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and click the notification button for some great more videos on my flying adventure. Okay.